Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can see, we are beading that beautiful ring. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and let's hop in right into making our today's flower ring. So we are going to start at the very center, where we are going to pick 13 beads from the right. So you cut your fishing line to approximately 16 inches length, and then you just go straight into picking your beads. The materials you'll require for this project are definitely the 0.30 millimeters fishing line, and once you pick your 13 beads, you crisscross on the final 13th one, and you should have a circle like what you've seen. And then you proceed by picking a gold bead on the right, followed by 3 orange beads. These are slightly light orange, and then followed by 11 yellow beads. And after the 11 yellow beads, you pick 3 orange beads, and then followed by 1 gold bead. Make sure you put them in that sequence so that you can have a fully colored petal. Kindly don't forget to subscribe and like the channel if you like this content. It really helps get our content to more people. Once your beads are put in that sequence, you are now ready to pass the fishing line. You should have something like this, and then you pass the fishing line over from behind like that, and then you pull it, and then you should have something that looks like this, after which you put the fishing line through the 2 black beads like that, and then you repeat the same sequence. You pick 1 gold bead, pick 3 orange beads, and then you pick 11 yellow beads, and again 3 orange beads and 1 final gold bead, and then you pass the fishing line through the very same black bead that it's on. I personally believe that a candle loses nothing by lighting another candle, and that is why I always I'm looking forward to making more tutorials for you guys, so that I can share the knowledge that I have. As you can see, I'm putting the fishing line through the black bead like that, and this is our second petal. Beautiful, isn't it? So we proceed by repeating the same thing. We pass our fishing line through the next 2 beads like that, and then you should have something like that, and then you repeat the very same thing. That's our third petal. As you can see, you repeat the very same thing that we've been doing, and then you have your 4th bead as you continue, and bit by bit, bead by bead, our flower is becoming complete. So on to our final petal. We just repeat the same thing, and voila, there is our flower. So now I pick 1 yellow bead on the right, 1 yellow bead on the left, and then I crisscross with the black bead like this. And this bit, I'm starting to make the loop where our finger will go through. I hope you can see these beads clearly. You should have something like that. Then you proceed by repeating the same thing. Pick a yellow bead on the right, a yellow bead on the left, then a final black bead, and then you crisscross on it, and then you proceed. This makes the loop for the ring that we are going to use to put on to our hand. And I can't get tired of thanking all of you for constantly reaching out. Your suggestions, your comments, they give me strength to keep creating more content for you. So kindly don't forget to leave a comment down below hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and also hit the like button because it helps get this content to more and more people. Also, I'm really proud of you guys who have been able to do something from the tutorials that we've been having. You can check out and see what the other guys have made on our community tab. On our community tab, you'll see different posts of different students who are able to do things. So kindly check our community post. And as you can see here, the length of the loop has come to a comfortable size. So now I'm going to finish it by passing the fishing line on the right through the black bead like that, and then the other fishing line on the left. I'm going to take it and pass it through the same black bead, as you can see, and then I pull both ends and we make the beautiful loop like that. Remember, you can also sell this ring and be able to make an extra income. So in as much as this can be a hobby, you can also turn it into something that can earn you some extra money, some extra dollars on the side. So you can also show someone who you know is creative, and these tutorials, I'm quite sure they'll thank you later for this. So what you're seeing me doing here is winding the fishing line as we go behind. By doing this, I'm going to seal the ring properly and also make it firm and rigid, and you go to a comfortable distance, and then now you can easily cut your fishing line. This is the same thing that we do when we're making the normal bracelets. So as this is part of sealing it, and you can check out our previous videos. We have several videos, other video tutorials on our playlists, and also contact details on how you can reach us are down below in the description. So now this is our final piece. Let me know, what do you think of this ring, and what colors will you have made yours in?
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and
thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.